love. My name is Kiarani and I'm back at it again with another video. And we are going to color this unit today. This unit is from Beauty Forever Hair. This is the second video on her that I am doing. The first one was kind of just showing you like, sorry, this is a weird angle. The first one was showing you just kind of how she was fresh out the box and whatever the case may be. And originally I was like gonna do like a styling half up half down kind of video, but I'm like, nah, I'm gonna take it up a notch. So let's do a peanut butter hair coloring tutorial, because I've never done one of those on like dark colored wigs. And I think this will be a great wig because it's nice and full, nice and long, root to tip, and I just think it'll be a cute and fun style. So I sectioned the wig off in 3 parts. So we got the back section, the middle section, and the top section. And there's not really a specific technique I'm gonna use. I'm just kind of gonna sporadically pull hair, put the bleach on it. I use 40 volume developer and then the same powder bleach that I usually use. And then, yeah, so this is me coloring the hair. Let's see what she does. Safety first, because this shit burns. I'm not gonna lie to you. If you get this on your hands without gloves, it really burns you. You're gonna hate your life stuff. Okay, so I randomly did just like big chunks of hair. Nothing too, like, I'm not a professional basically. Didn't do nothing too major. Probably did it like several types of wrong, but that's okay. So we got to the last section. And for this section, I am going to do a bleach bath on the hair. So that means I mixed my my bleach with a moisturizing shampoo. And so the moisturizing shampoo, powder bleach, and developer. And this is just gonna slow down the bleaching process to where, ooh, I'm out of breath, child. It's just gonna slow down the bleaching process. So we're gonna get like a brown instead of a blonde. So it looks fairly similar to the regular, you know, bleach mix, but it isn't. Just gonna spread this on. I did a big chunk in the front, just because, no specific reason actually. No specific reason at all. That, and then I am thinking about putting a blow dryer to the hair just so it could process a little bit faster, because I don't want to leave the bleach on here too long. No, we wouldn't want to melt the hair off now, would we? Exactly, we would not want to do that. So that is what we're doing. Yes. So we've got our different strands, our different pieces, and I am going to put a blow dryer to this while it does its thing. So one reason for this is because I actually did run out of aluminum foil. So